guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a plant stand, and this is completely DIY. Everything costs less than $50, and I'll show you what you guys need, and it takes about 10 minutes to put together. So I know everyone during quarantine has really gotten into plants, and I've been really trying to find creative methods to hang my plants without drilling a hole in the ceiling and being able to move it around. And honestly, I don't have the most ideal light conditions, so I've had to really be creative, and where I have light, I had to move my couch around and everything so that I could put my plants there. So this method, I can move the plants upstairs, downstairs, and also it's easy to take around or take off from the plant stand and change plants. And I also put them under a grow light, so the plant stand is really useful since I can hang like a grow light on top of the plant stand as well, so all the plants under it will get all the grow light. Let me show you guys the things that I ordered for this plant stand. I'm gonna make it about 4 feet, and so these are the industrial pipes. They're 1/2 inch pipes, and they're pretty heavy actually, very durable. So I got these, and I got a connector that connects them. So 2 24-inch ones and then a connector. And then on top, it'll have a little curved connector. This is the connector. And that's where also like the bar will go. So it'll go like this and it'll be connected. And then I have three of these like the ends of them, and they're all 1/2 inch, so they just fit like this. So I'll just put that one on. So this is where the plant would hang, and on the bottom of the long poles there's this triangle looking connector. So the pole will go here, and then there's 2 stands so that it won't wobble. But honestly, it's a little bit wobbly, but once you have a plant on it, it's not as bad. I would just be a little careful when you don't have a plant on there, and just make sure it doesn't fall over, or it doesn't fall over on something that you really care about. I first originally saw this stand on Etsy, and someone was selling it for over $100, so I thought maybe I can make my own. And when I looked up the materials, it wasn't that expensive, but I think PVC would be a lot cheaper if you wanted a plastic one, but it's just not as durable, it's not as heavy, and this industrial look is actually pretty cool. So I'll show you guys how to make this. Let's go. Going to take this to the office, but this is how it looks like, and I really like it. It's very industrial. I'm probably just gonna stick it in a corner, but let's put a plant on here. So one of the things that I really like, and I got these from Amazon, there are these S hooks that I use for everything. Like I hang everything from this, even my towels, my clothes, my belts. But this has been really, really helpful with my plants as well, because I have these macrame hangers. It doesn't really have a hook. And sometimes it does have a hook, but it's just too small. So I still like to hook it onto something. So this is my philodendron lichen. I have about 6 or 7 of these and I just love them so much. I just want them all to grow big. And I don't know why I don't sell the rest, but I just love them. So I'm gonna hang this onto here. You can see it. I also have this plant. This is a satin pothos. We got this maybe, it's a little thirsty, so don't mind it. It's a little curled up. We got this in March and now it's just so long and we probably should move it to a 6-inch pot, but we just like don't have any space. So we've just been leaving this by the window and just hanging it. It's again really thirsty right now, but it's also really nice. So this is a different length than the lichen, so I can hang 2 plants from it. And yeah, so this is how it looks like. Very sturdy, doesn't move. You can make the legs a little longer. Maybe that would make it more sturdy, but I think having the top and the bottom the same length is fine. My other adjustment, if I could find a connector that had a connector here and also both sides, like I guess it would be a T connector, then I would probably put another pole and then I can hang something else right here. But overall, this is like a really good solution and it's very industrial looking and very cool. Really like it. So I hope you guys do too. I just wanted to show you guys my newest houseplant. I don't typically buy a lot of things for myself, but when I saw this jade satin pothos, I had to have it. It's just something I've never seen before. I have the satin pothos, the exotica, and I have the satin pothos, but this jade satin pothos. Have you seen something like this? This is like so insane, and the leaves are just so big. Oh, I just want this to grow like crazy. Oh my gosh, all these new leaves are unfurling. It is so cool, right? Oh, let's look at it again. Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys this because I'm really excited about it. Cool. All right. Bye. Okay, so I'm really glad you guys joined me. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe below to follow me on my YouTube adventures, and I will be showing you more DIY and plant things that I do. I love thrifting and secondhand items and upcycling and also just caring for all of our houseplants. So thank you guys for following my journey. I haven't posted a video for about 9 months, and my first video has a lot of views already, so I was really shocked and really humbled that people actually watch my videos. So I hope that these are helpful and it brought some ideas to you. I am all about DIYing and thrifting, and I always think that if you can find a secondhand that you should, because there's just too much stuff in the world. And I do think that plants do make life better, especially during quarantine where we're inside all the time. It's just really fun to see something grow, but I also don't think that you need to buy the rarest of the rare. Just be happy with what you have and be a good plant parent to any plant. And it doesn't have to be the rarest, but you know, if your tastes get there, it's okay. And I just want to say, don't keep chasing what other people have. I think it's human nature to want to acquire things that we don't have and have like the best and the rarest, and I'm not saying that I don't do that at all, because I definitely get into that phase too. Like right now I have 2 plants I really want and I just can't justify paying so much for it. But you know, see what you can do with the things that you already have and see what you can do with the plants you already have, and just don't spend an arm and a leg on something that maybe in 6 months you might not be interested in. So I just wanted to leave it with that note, and Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.